What's up guys, for today's video I'm going to review a pretty new product, Big Mouth Stormproof Sweet Fire Stackable Fire Starter. Check this out, these things are humongous, probably the biggest stackable fire starter I ever seen, ever. So this is pretty amazing. Let me show you, a couple years ago I put to the test this stackable fire starter, and this thing blew my mind. These things are amazing. So they pretty much did a little upgrade and build them a lot bigger, and also they have made a mini pack as well, a mini ones, so you can get a giant ones like this or a mini ones. Let me show you the difference. This Sweet Fire, boom, you see the stackable piece is pretty small. Now if you open up the new ones, by the way this is my first time opening it, so let's see. Wow, look at that. Boom, each piece is actually wrapped up inside of the plastic. Let me take one out. Boom, as you can see they already break apart into single pieces, so that's another big difference. Last time there were like 5 of them all together and you break them apart, but anyways, let me break it off. I didn't mind that at all. And look at that difference. You see how much more stackable piece over here? That's definitely going to burn a lot more than this. This stuff is like a match, but this one is storm-proof piece right here. So once it lights up, it's gonna burn for a long time, and I'm pretty sure it should be burning underwater as well. When you dip it in the water, take it out, shake it, and it's gonna burn again, just like survival matches. We'll put that to the test in a minute. Let me strike it and see what it looks like. First of all, I'm gonna strike the old one, Sweet Fire. Boom, you see just like match, it lights up and then it's almost wanna go out. You really have to hold it upside down like that so you don't lose the flame. Boom, and I lost it anyways. So that was a little bit of a flaw. Even though this is probably the best stackable fire starter I ever seen, there was a little flaw. Sometimes they go off before getting on fire. Maybe that's why they come out with this line, to kind of improve it so that way they don't go off. Okay, let's strike it and see what happens. First time striking these ones. Whoa, look at that flame. That's insane. No way. That's insane. This is so much flame. I don't even know if I can hold it in my hand. I wouldn't recommend that. And now check this out. It's definitely burning now. It's not going off. I don't have to hold it upside down like this because it's definitely burning well, the whole piece now. Wow, definitely a huge improvement for sure. That's insane. And obviously you can just put it inside of little sticks and get the fire going, because look how well it's burning. Even if you hold it like that, it's like a mini torch or a mini candle. Let me see how long this one's supposed to burn for. It says 7 minutes each on the package down here. I love the package, by the way, and right here that's where it strikes. And also it comes sealed couple of the strikers in case, I don't know, maybe you moist it or destroy this box, you still have a couple of dry strikers. Again, look how well it's burning. It's amazing. And obviously if you're going to hold it like this, it's going to burn a little bit longer. If you put it upside down or on the side, it will burn out even faster. But that's insane how much flame it's giving off. This thing's supposed to burn up to 15 minutes. This is insane. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa, that's like a flare. That's insane. Look at that flame. And I'm holding it up like that, so I don't even have to hold it down this way. I'll probably burn myself. This is like a mini torch. That's so much flame. You know what, guys? If you cannot start a fire with this, I don't know what's gonna help you. Because, as you can see, it's burning super good. And once again, what was the problem with the old Sweet Fire? It would go off because it just have a regular match stuff on it. This stuff really gets it going very easily. So now, if you hold it like this, it's not too windy, you can get the fire going. Honestly, I believe them. It's probably will be burning for 15 minutes pretty easily, but again, it's just average. Some probably will burn more faster, some probably will burn longer. So pretty amazing. Look at this thing. while this burning, I want to talk about another product they came out with. This is Sweet Fire starter right here, and I think this is for strikers. Okay, obviously it's going to work easily for 15 minutes, and it comes off so much flame. I don't think I will probably use these things ever. Maybe in very rainy conditions or snowy conditions when everything wet. That way you have a way better chance to start a fire in those kind of days. But when everything dry, you probably all you need is those mini ones easily. That way you're not wasting these big expensive, more expensive ones. They're not even that expensive. I think for 3 of them I paid maybe $5 to $7. I don't remember though. Oh, there you go. Boom. Wow, very nice package. I love it. Looks like you got here 2 little plates. Looks like chocolate, doesn't it? But it's not edible. Put it in plastic so that way it does not get wet and does not go bad. Boom, close it up. I love this matchbox right here. And it looks like it says 24 pieces and each one will burn for 6 minutes. Oh wait, yep, 6 minutes. Okay, I'm going to get my striker right here and get a couple of sparks. I would get a knife, or maybe on asphalt or on a rock. I would fluff it up. I'd get it really fluffed up. Like this. So that way it's a lot easier to light it up. There you go, and it's light up. Couple of sparks and it does the job. You know what? I like it. It's not too bad at all. As long as it's dry, you can easily light it up. One more thing I want to put to the test. If you grab their matches, stormproof matches, you can dip it in the water, wipe it off, no big deal, shake it off, and then light it, and then they're going to light up, right? You're going to let it burn a little bit. It's burning a little hot. So then if you put them in the water, look, they burn under the water. Then you take it out, and if you shake it, they're going to get back on fire. How amazing is that? And you still have plenty of flame to start the fire, even in a very moist condition. This is insane. So my question is, can these matches do the same? Can they burn under the fire just like this one? Because they look alike. Let's find out. This match broke off in the shipping. Oh well. I love how they light up so well. I'm gonna give it a minute to burn up. Okay, it's burning. That's such a big flame. Okay, put it in the water. Nope, not the same stuff for sure. Well, oh well, but still, it's an amazing product. What about if you just put it in the water? I'm gonna soak it in really well. Take it off, wipe it off. Let's see if it's going to light up anyway. I'm just gonna wipe it off very minimally, not too much. Okay, let's see what happens. There you go. You see, even if they moist, they light up again, which is really good. I like that a lot. Okay, it's wet. I'll probably hold it tight to hold it upside down, so that way the moisture go away. But as you can see, even after dipping them in the water, they still work very well. Let me do one more test. Will this little one burn under the water? Let's find out. Come on. There you go. I'm gonna let it burn for a little bit. Now let's stick it in the water. Oh wow, these ones do burn. There's a little bit of flame coming off. If you shake it like that, it might come back on. There you go. Boom. Wow, these little ones do work like this. Amazing. So very excited that it did work with the little ones. Let's double check. Let's see if it wasn't a flaw. Look, it's still burning. Light it up. They burn so much like a mini torch. I'll let it burn for a while, make sure they're going, then dip it in the water. Take it out. You see, it's kind of sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. Oh well. With matches, they have no problem like that at all. I don't know why. But again, you probably don't want to dip your matches in the water anyways. This is just to show off how powerful this stuff is. Obviously, I would not dip them in the water, and I would keep them very safe out of the water. But to show you how powerful they are, they do burn even underwater. Take it out, shake it up, and they burn again. Sometimes you don't even have to shake. They're gonna burn really hot. You know what, guys, every time you see oil coming out with the new matches or strikeable fire starter, whatever you wanna call it, they never fail to amaze me. Last time the strikeable fire starter, just with the match tip, it blew my mind. They actually made not just strikeable fire starter, but strikeable stormproof fire starter that can burn for 15 minutes. Mind blown. Definitely will be easy to start the fire even in a rainy condition. But anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.